what goes into a luxury brand logo design? In this video, I'm sharing the design basics that I use to create logos that attract high-end clients. Want even more of the best branding and business advice specifically for female entrepreneurs? Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I post each new video. I'm Moriah, the owner and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where I help women build exclusive luxury brands that make them more money. And today I am sharing my top 3 tips for luxury logo design. So let's get started. Tip number 1, luxury brand logo designs are simple. I see it all the time. Entrepreneurs and small businesses trying to evoke a luxury vibe mistakenly think that luxury means more. More glitz, more glamour, and more over the top than your average logo. However, when you step back and actually study established luxury brands, you quickly find that the exact opposite is true. Sophisticated luxury brands embrace a less is more approach to their visual branding. Just look at brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, or even Apple. Their logos are simple and easily recognizable. And here are a few examples of luxury logos I've designed for my own clients. Here's why simplicity works. A simple logo becomes the focal point of the brand identity because it isn't overwhelmed with a bunch of unnecessary visual clutter. In turn, this makes the logo easy to read and comprehend, which makes it easy to remember. And being memorable is key to creating that oh so important brand recognition. Alternatively, logos that try to be high-end by adding a lot of design fluff, for example, unnecessary and busy elements, actually come across as cheap and screaming for your attention, something that a luxury brand would never do. Take action. Assess your own logo. Is it over the top, trying hard to be something that it's not? If so, maybe it's time to simplify your logo to evoke a more luxury vibe. Better yet, it might be time to hire a professional brand designer to help you. Tip number 2, luxury logos are timeless. The next essential element of a luxury brand's logo design is timelessness. Luxury brands are crafted to withstand the test of time. In fact, a common quality of many luxury brands is their long history and heritage. Some high-end brands have been around for hundreds of years, and that longevity is celebrated. While products and offerings have to evolve over time and stay ahead of trends, logos do not. For a luxury brand to be sustainable and successful over time, it should be designed with timelessness in mind. As I mentioned before, one of the biggest indicators of success is a brand's recognition. If you're changing your logo or branding every time a new trend comes along, you'll constantly be losing recognition with your audience. Worse than that, your brand, your business, or even you may come across as flaky to your audience, which will translate to untrustworthy when you want those audience members to become paying customers. Instead, it's much better to commit to a high-end logo and brand design, ensuring that you will have something that withstands the test of time. Speaking of timeless logos, I'd love to hear from you. What's one logo that comes to mind when you hear the word timeless? Luxury brand logo design tip number 3, craftsmanship. The concept of craftsmanship is something that is near and dear to my heart because it was a core value instilled in me while earning my art degree. Craftsmanship is the deliberate care and dedication through which a piece of art or design is crafted. While craftsmanship might be hard to quantify, it's easily recognizable. You know the difference between a logo that is rushed, lazy, or sloppily thrown together, and one that's crafted with exquisite care. Since luxury brands typically pride themselves on the craftsmanship of their own products or services, it's vitally important that their logos visually represent that same level of craftsmanship. For me, as a high-end brand designer, that means carefully and purposefully designing each element of a client's logo, including altering and tweaking even the slightest detail, usually things that my clients don't even notice, to create something truly one of a kind that they're proud to have their name on. Speaking of design, luxury brand design is my area of expertise. So when you're ready for not just a logo, but a comprehensive luxury brand system that sets you apart from your competition and squarely positions you as a leader in your industry, get in touch with me. The link is in the description box down below. Now you know my 3 luxury brand logo design basics, the things your logo needs to go from basic to luxury. But your logo is just one part of your brand strategy. If you're wondering what it takes to build a high-end brand, then you have to grab my free guide, 7 Steps to a Luxury Brand. Simple yet powerful tips that will give your brand a sense of understated, irresistible elegance at every touch point. Grab your copy with the link below. Wondering how many logos you need for a successful visual brand? Hint, it's more than one. Then check out the video that just popped up. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.